Hey you guys! So this is day 4 of the Grow Crystal Science experiment of it growing, and this is how it looks. It has grown just a little bit more from yesterday. It grew actually a lot yesterday. Not a super lot, but a little bit, a lot, not like too much, but in the middle, like a little bit, a lot in the middle. It's in the middle. But it grew a little bit today, just a little bit. It grew up to at least up to here. It's growing really good. It's looking very good. I cannot, if y'all maybe wanna take it out. It's growing all right. Grow a little bit today. Not much. It's going pretty good. But yeah, there's slime. Oh, heck. I haven't touched the slime in a while. Hold on, guys. It's been a while since it's slime. It's still slime. Bro, it has mold in it, bro. It's starting to get old. Just me, just got something in it. Like, ew. Focus. Something in there. Hold on. I'm not even joking. Hold on. Hold on, guys. There's something in the slime. It's sticky. I need something like poke. Like that pencil. Sword. Alright guys, sorry about that. But yeah, it's still slime. See? But yeah, there's slime. It looks kind of weird. There's no spots on it. It just looks like that from the bottle. I got sticky hands, but slime is pretty good. I'm not gonna take everything else out because these two make a mess. Those two make a mess. I'm not gonna take that out. I'm just gonna let that sit. But yeah, there's the slime. I mean, there's the crystals. Grow a little bit today. Not much at all. But yeah, there's a little update. All right, y'all. Hope you guys have a blessed day, and I will see you guys for day 5 tomorrow. Peace.